Very good morning to all my dear friends and myself Dr. M.A. Channaya, former Principal Dr. Shivkumar Mahaswamy College of Engineering and Professor and HOD of the Department of Aeronautical Engineering and Automobile Engineering at Acharya Institute of Technology, Bangalore. Friends, in today's session, we are going to work out a problem on a triangular plate, and here for discussion we have selected a 30-60 degrees set square. Set square you have seen while drawing the or while making the drawings. 30-60 set square will have a shape like this that you find in your instrument box, and along with this you will have one more 45 degree set square will be there. Here friends, if you see, this is in fact a problem on a triangular lamina which has got the longest side. Longest side in this triangle is this AB. This is measuring 100 millimeter, and this angle ABC, this angle B is equal to 60 degree, this angle A is equal to 30, and this is obviously 90 degrees. So 90 plus 60, 130, 90 plus 60, 150 plus 30, 180 degrees is the total interior angle in a triangle, in any triangle. Friends, he says we have a problem or a set square problem like this where it is resting on HP. So first of all we have to analyze the plate is resting on HP. So friends, place this triangular plate say on HP such that the longest side AB, which measures 100 mm, is perpendicular to the VP or parallel to HP. So I commence this problem by marking the XY line, the line of intersection of VP and HP. So I say I will mark it here XY, and this is VP by HP. So I am going to place this lamina like this such that the lamina is on HP now. I get the top view a triangle with AB measuring 100 mm. So let me see how to construct. Basically, before drawing the problem, you should also know how to construct that. Friend, here the side AB is vertical. So I make a line here of length equal to 100 mm. This length, I will call this as AB. This AB measures 100 mm. This is the side, the longest side. AB is the longest side. And how to get this figure? See friends, I am just keeping here. At this point B, you write a line at an angle of 60 degrees to the horizontal. So from here, simply I write a line at random at an angle of 60 degrees. Some line. So that has to make an angle of 60 degree. So this has to be 60 or with the vertical 60, or this is to be 30. Both are same. Similarly, we don't know the length. So from this point, write another line at an angle of 30 degrees to the vertical. So this is 30 degree, this is 60 degree, and obviously these two will intersect here at 90 degree. So complete this figure. This is AB, this is going to be the third corner. So join C to B, join C to A. Remember, this AC is perpendicular to BC. The angle A is 30, this angle is 60, this is 90. So we have successfully completed drawing of this triangular plate, that is a 30 degree set square, where this side AB is perpendicular to VP. If it is like this, perpendicular to HP. If you have a line like this, it is inclined to HP. A line like this, inclined to VP, and so on and so forth. Friends, now assume this is pasted on the wall or the VP. In the top view, you get ABC, a line on XY as a top view. So I project a line from here. This point will give us A dash, B dash, because both are on the same line, and this is obviously perpendicular here. And then C, you write another line from here, vertical line from here. This will meet the xy line here. This point will give you the point C dash. Let me write it above. So A dash, B dash, C dash. Join that by a dock line. This will represent the front view which has got a length equal to m. M can be measured. You can just keep a scale and find out what is the value of that m. So m you have got, friends. Now initially we have pasted that set square on the wall or VP. We have got the front top view, a triangle, front view, a line. He says it is on that longest side. The surface is inclined at an angle of 40 degrees to the surface is inclined at an angle of 40 degrees to VP it should be. So it should be inclined at an angle of 40 degrees to VP. Sorry, this HP is correct. This has to be HP. So friends, when you look at the board, this line represents the front view of that plane or that square, that is 60 set square. Now this is in contact with the XY or HP. Now it is making 0 degrees with the XY. It has to be at an angle of 40 degrees to HP. So I am going to redraw this front view on a line here having length is equal to m, inclined at an angle of 40 degrees to HP, and obtain the corresponding top view by following the procedure like this. Draw a vertical line from A, a horizontal line from here. The point where those two intersect is point A. Similarly, vertical line from B you draw, horizontal line from here. The point of intersection of these two will give you B. Now you have to obtain the point C. Is very easy. How to obtain this point C? Draw a vertical line from C, a horizontal line from here. These two intersect at this point C. So friends, you can see in this view, top view of this, you have this side vertical, but he says in the question it has to be at an angle of 30 degrees to VP. So I am going to redraw this figure ABC here such that this side AB measuring 100 mm is on that line A inclined at 30 degrees, and you have to obtain the point C. How to obtain? Is a triangle again. So you know this B, you know the measurement of this. So taking B as center, BC as radius, strike an arc. Taking A as center, AC as radius, draw another arc. The point of intersection of these two arcs will give you C. Finally friends, you have the final top view. We have to obtain the front view corresponding to that top view. So how to obtain? Draw a vertical line from A horizontal line from here. These two will intersect here. We will get the point A dash. Similarly, B is here. Draw a vertical line from B, a horizontal from B. This is going to be B dash. C. Draw a horizontal from C, vertical from this point C. These two are intersecting here. We make that or call that point as C. Join A to B, B to C, C to A, and this triangle A dash, B dash, C dash will represent the final front view FV of the set square, 30 degree set square. Friends, this will give you the complete projection of the 30-60 degree set square. Friends, I hope you are able to follow the complete presentation in all the 3 steps that I have shown there. And if you are convinced and happy with the presentation I have made, do subscribe to my channel. The channel name is Mechanical Engineering Lecture Series, and have a wonderful day. This is Dr. M. H. Channaya signing off.